Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8 speakers, compass, low tire pressure warning. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.